presentation. This is Unit 6, Sports Development, and this is Assignment 4, and it's about measuring quality in sport development. So in this presentation I'll be talking about the two types of assessments, and I'll be also explaining the following two methods which are Quest and club marks. So the methods of measure quality. There are different ways of measuring quality, and these consist of benchmarks and quality schemes, internal or self-assessments, external adequates, and national governing body schemes. The quality schemes for Quest. Quest is a national quality system, and it's developed by Sports England. And this looks at the standards of management, customer service, and also the ability of the organisation in working with others. And this is aimed at sports development organisations in local authorities, governing bodies, and voluntary establishments. And they use a grading system. So if you get the minimum score to register for Quest would be 60%, and if you get between 75% to 85% would be highly recommended, and if you get 85% would be excellent. Assessment aspects. You would have to look at the aims and achievements of organisations, time management and coaching, quality of equipment, and organisational structure and cultures. Moving on to club marks. Club mark is a quality system which was brought up by Sports England in 2002, and the main aim of this is to provide better opportunities for younger people and increase young people joining sports. And when local communities are awarded a club mark certificate, it shows that the local community is safe and child friendly. This would set up a good reputation for the local communities, and a lot more people would come to the local communities, and it would increase the amount of young people participating in sports. If a local community would want to get a club mark certificate, they would need to show good duty of care, and also ensure there's a safe environment, and they would need to provide better opportunities for younger children, and make sure that they meet the needs of all abilities, such as unable people. The advantages of quality schemes. It helps achieve funding for sports development, and the quality system benefiting all those involved in the scheme. And it's a benchmarking tool, and this means that it will improve performances, and it's you can compare how they work and what has to be achieved with other qualities in other quality schemes in the UK. The disadvantages of quality schemes: you would have to pay a lot to introduce the scheme, and you'd have to train staff in order for them to be confident and train and speak up. Working practices might have to change, and a lot of staffs won't be used to it, and staff have to show new ideas and improvements which are needed without getting any rewards. And this is the reference page.